Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Now that you know why regular washes are crucial, it's time to get into the nitty-gritty. We'll show you the best techniques and tips to keep your car looking its absolute best. Let's get started. Best practices for car washing. Keeping your car clean goes beyond just looks. It's vital for protecting the paint and making your vehicle last longer. Here are the best practices for washing your car to ensure that the shine lasts. Choosing the right cleaning products. Using the right cleaning products is crucial. Not all cleaners are suitable for car paint. Always opt for pH-balanced and non-abrasive cleaners. Here are some reasons why. Protects the finish. pH-balanced cleaners won't strip away wax and sealants that protect the paint. Reduces scratches. Non-abrasive products are gentle on the surface, minimizing the risk of scratching or dulling the finish. When shopping for car wash products, look for labels that state they are safe for automotive use. Avoid household cleaners like dish soap. They can do more harm than good. Proper washing techniques. The method you use to wash your car can make all the difference. Here's how to wash your vehicle effectively. The 2-bucket method. Bucket 1. Fill with soapy water. Bucket 2. Fill with clean water for rinsing. This method helps avoid dirt and grime from going back onto your car. Use microfiber cloths. Microfiber cloths are soft and absorbent. They trap dirt without scratching your paint. Avoid direct sunlight. Wash your car in the shade or on a cloudy day. Washing in direct sunlight can cause soap and water to dry too quickly, leaving spots and streaks. By following these techniques, you not only clean your car effectively but also protect its surface. Frequency of washing. How often you should wash your car can depend on several factors. Here are some general guidelines. Daily drivers. If you drive your car every day, aim for a wash once a week. Seasonal considerations. In winter, when road salt is common, consider washing every 4 or 5 days to protect against corrosion. Environmental factors. If you park under trees, consider more frequent washes due to sap and bird droppings. Understanding your driving and parking environment will help you determine how often to wash your car. Regular washes keep the paint in top shape and help avoid costly repairs down the line. Implementing these best practices will not only keep your car looking great but will also safeguard the paint from wear and tear. Keeping it clean is a small effort that leads to long-lasting benefits. Additional protective measures. Keeping your car's paint looking fresh and shiny is about more than just regular washes. There are extra steps you can take to enhance that protection. Waxing and sealing are among these steps, and paint protection films add another layer of security. Let's explore both options to see how they can help your vehicle stand the test of time. Waxing and sealing. Waxing your car is like putting on a protective shield. Think of it as sunscreen for your vehicle. A good layer of wax not only makes your car shine but also provides a barrier against dirt, UV rays, and rain. Here are some key benefits of waxing. Shield against contaminants. Wax fills in tiny scratches and imperfections, making it harder for dirt and grime to stick to the surface. Easier washing. With a smooth, waxed surface, dirt comes off easier when you wash your car. Less scrubbing means less chance of scratching the paint. UV protection. Just like your skin needs sunscreen, your car's paint needs protection from harmful sun rays that can cause fading and discoloration. Using a sealant offers long-lasting protection. Unlike traditional wax, sealants bond with the paint, creating a tough, durable layer. This helps protect against chemical stains from bird droppings and tree sap. Consider this. If waxing is like a quick touch-up, a sealant provides long-lasting defense. It's ideal for those who want a lower maintenance option. Paint protection films. Paint protection films are a smart investment for anyone serious about maintaining their vehicle's appearance. These clear, thick layers act as strong armor against scratches, chips, and other kinds of damage. Here's why they can be a game changer for your car's longevity. Durability. Paint protection films are tougher than you might think. They can withstand impacts and resist yellowing over time. Self-healing. Many modern films come with self-healing technology. Minor scratches actually disappear with heat or sunlight, keeping your finish looking flawless. Preservation of value. A car with well-maintained paint holds its value better. By applying these films, you reduce the risk of paint damage, making it easier to sell or trade down the line. Adding a layer of paint protection film is a proactive way to defend your vehicle. It's especially useful for high-impact areas like the hood, bumper, and side mirrors where chips and scratches commonly occur. By combining regular washing with waxing, sealing, and applying paint protection films, you can significantly enhance your car's paint protection. Each step acts like building an unbreakable wall, keeping the exterior as stunning as the day it left the showroom. Think about your car as an investment. Using these protective measures ensures that investment stays in top shape for years to come. Your car deserves care. Just like regular dentist visits keep your teeth healthy, periodic car washes protect your vehicle. Don't overlook the importance of routine washes. It's a simple step that pays off big. Ask yourself, would you allow your home or your clothes to stay dirty for weeks? The same principle applies to your car. Incorporate car washes into your routine. Whether it's a self-serve wash or a professional detailing service, make it happen. Your car will thank you with a longer-lasting finish. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.